If this is the condition of your nails right now, and if you want them to look pretty and healthy, then keep watching this video, because today I'm going to show you some products that I use to take care of my natural nails, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Now let's start with the first product, which I'm sure you must have seen in a lot of my videos. I'm talking about the glass nail file. When it comes to my natural nails, I do not like to use metal files or emery boards. I prefer glass nail files because they are so gentle on the nails. They last longer than emery boards or metal files, and you can wash glass nail files with soap water, which means it's hygienic to use it, and so I like it. Now before you start searching glass nail files online, I want to show you the one that I purchased a few months ago. It's from a brand called Vega, and it's exactly how a glass nail file should not be like. It's not at all gentle on the nails, and I absolutely hate it. I want you guys to not purchase this one. I'll try and find a good glass nail file and link it in the description box below for you guys. Also, if you notice, it's so much bigger than a regular glass nail file, so that's not what you want, right? Number 2 is a nail clipper. I use it to get rid of hangnails, just the way I am doing it right now. Number 3 is a Rinnais Cuticle potion. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love this. I just take a little bit of it and apply it on my nails. Now what it does is that it moisturizes the nails and softens the cuticle, so then the removal becomes easy. I might have taken a lot of butter here, but it's all natural and good for nails, so no worries. If you want to invest in just one nail care product, I think it has to be a good cuticle oil, balm or butter, because that is something that's totally going to change the way your nails look in a good way. But whatever you use, make sure you use it regularly for best results. Also, it will help your nails become flexible and less prone to breakage. Apart from the cuticle potion, I also have this Juicy Chemistries 100% organic jojoba oil. I actually bought this one for my face, but I use it on my nails as well sometimes. This works just as good. Number 4 is Cuticle Pusher. If you look carefully, you'll notice white something on my nails as I'm using this tool. That is dead skin, and that is called cuticle. Yes, cuticle is the dead skin on your nails and not the actual skin around your nails. I'm not sure if what I just said makes sense. I have this another tool that has a trimmer on one end, which I've only used like a few times, and if you're a beginner, I do not recommend you guys that. But on the other end of the tool, there's silicone cuticle pusher, which is definitely something you need in your life. I like to use this to push back the skin, and it might look like I'm hurting myself, but believe me, it's very gentle on the skin and is less risky as compared to the metal cuticle pusher, which a lot of people like to use, especially professionals. As I said, the trimmer thing is not for beginners, so this is what you can use instead. This silicone cuticle pusher has a little something on the other end that can be used to remove cuticles and dirt from underneath the nails. I like to use this tool before I apply nail polish, and it does make a lot of difference. I'll try and link everything that I've used in this video in the description box below. If you are interested, you can check it out. So guys, that's all for today. What you just saw is basically my nail care routine, and if you want me to make more nail care related videos, let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.